U.S. President Donald Trump on Saturday launched military strikes against Yemen's Houthis over the group's attacks against Red Sea shipping. A plume of smoke was seen in video rising in Yemen's capital of Sana'a at the scene of a strike. In a post on Truth Social, Trump warned the Houthis, quote, "Your attacks must stop, starting today. If they don't, hell will rain down upon you like nothing you have ever seen before." Trump also warned Iran, the Houthis' main backer, that it needed to immediately halt support to the group. Trump said if Iran threatened the United States, quote, "America will hold you fully accountable and we won't be nice about it." The unfolding U.S. strikes represent the biggest U.S. military operation in the Middle East since Trump took office in January. At least 9 civilians were killed and 9 injured in the strikes on Sana'a, according to the Houthi-run health ministry. Since November 2023, the Houthis have launched more than 100 attacks targeting shipping, killing at least 4 seafarers, sinking 2 vessels, and seizing another. The Houthis say the attacks were in solidarity with Palestinians over Israel's war with Hamas in Gaza. The Biden administration had sought to degrade the Houthis' ability to attack vessels off its coast, but limited the U.S. actions.